Alright man, here we go. Back to the basics part 2. So now I'm about to show you all how to plug a tire with a nail, hole, blah 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 in it. So first off, what you want to do is inflate the tire. The reason I'm doing this is because I don't ride on spares for long. So if you ride on spares for long and then you catch another flat, then you just SOL. So plugging a tire would be a cheap way to just get it back rolling for the time. I need a new set of tires anyway, so I don't care too much about these that's on the front. I have towing tires on the back because this is what I used to tow it prior to getting my van, and they still have a lot of meat on it. I have another set of these same ones, so eventually I'm going to change these front coil springs, front shocks, rear coil springs. I got a set of airbags for the back, and then I just put these tires on the front and then the new tires on the back. So yeah, I don't really care too much about these tires, but I still don't want to ride on the spare. Alright, so now the tire is inflated. As you all can hear, it's leaking. This is what I heard when I found out it was leaking. So plug kit, I usually have one in like the cars that we own and don't plan on selling. I usually have one in every car, but I haven't really been having this problem, so only 2 of the cars had one. So you're gonna have this tool here, and this is what you're going to use to stick the plug into the tire. Make sure it has a slit on it like you see here. There you go. Make sure you got that slit right there. The reason why is when you pull this tool out, it's going to leave the plug in. So the plug's going to go in like this, and you're going to snatch it out, and it's going to rip through. I mean, not rip through, but it's going to come through this slit. So make sure you have that slit in there. I have to open it back up with a pair of pliers. Now, this tool came with a handle, and it wasn't really working for me. I put a hammer on it and it broke the tip off. So I might have to use a drill bit, or I might still be able to make this work. All right, now we ready. Before you do this, make sure you're near air or have a source of air. So let me get to doing this. What you're doing here is making the hole basically a little bigger so you can fit that tool in there with the plug. So you just move it around, up and down, but I don't have the handle part, so I ain't for sure if I can go up and down. Yeah, not really. So get in there a little bit, make it to where it's easy, right? So down this part, I got to sit the phone down for you. All right, let's go. Got our plug. And what you want to do is fold that plug around this, like that. When you pull this out, you got to be quick, because if the tire deflates all the way, then it's going to be way harder to do. All right, so. All right, now it's in there. Plug is in. Now this is the good part. This where you gotta bring your speed in right here. Stick it down in there a little bit. Make sure you stick it down in there. Have a little bit sticking out. This you can cut with a razor. But this is where your speed come in at. Your speed and your force. All right, stop. Can't do this part slow. Might mess the plug up. All right, so your speed come in there now. So you just brace yourself, and you're gonna pull this out hard and fast as you can. Just like that. Boom, tire plugged, no leaking. So I'm gonna cut this excess off with a razor, and then we're gonna get this tire put back on and get my spare put back in. So we don't ride on spares around here. No, we don't. So it's gonna look something like this. Boom. All right, now we're ready to ride. So I'm gonna get this aired up without a tire pressure gauge, and yeah, we'll get it back on.